Rocket full moon symbol NASA's moon rocket fueling drama. What went wrong? Full moon symbol rocket sparkles just when we thought NASA had fixed the problem. The moon rocket faced another unexpected twist. NASA's latest attempt to solve fueling issues on the Powerful Space Launch System, SLS, didn't go exactly as planned, raising fresh questions about the upcoming Artemis II mission. Welcome back to the Science Spark, where we break down space news in the most exciting way possible. Milky Way wrenched the test that hit a roadblock. NASA recently ran a confidence test to check new seals installed in the SLS rocket's fueling system. These seals were replaced after engineers detected a hydrogen leak earlier this month. But during the test, something unexpected happened. Operators were only able to partially fill the liquid hydrogen tank before ground equipment problems reduced the fuel flow. Engineers now suspect a faulty filter and plan to inspect and replace it. The hydrogen leak mystery. This issue traces back to a wet dress rehearsal on February 3rd, when NASA simulated launch countdown procedures for Artemis II. That's when engineers discovered a hydrogen leak in one of the tail service mast umbilicals, the structures that connect propellant lines to the rocket. Technicians replaced 2 seals to fix the leak. While the latest test provided useful data, it wasn't a complete success. Counterclockwise arrows, a case of déjà vu. If this sounds familiar, it is. Similar hydrogen leaks delayed the Artemis I launch in 2022, causing multiple scrubs before NASA finally launched successfully. Back then, NASA solved the issue by changing the fuel loading procedure. But this time, the same method didn't prevent the problem. Full moon symbol why it matters. Artemis II is a huge milestone. It will be the first crewed mission to orbit the moon since 1972, marking humanity's return to deep space exploration. NASA Administrator Jared Isaacman emphasized that astronaut safety remains the top priority. The mission will only launch when everything is fully ready. Shooting star space exploration is never easy, especially when dealing with supercold liquid hydrogen and one of the most powerful rockets ever built. But every test, even imperfect ones, brings NASA one step closer to a safe moon mission. Will Artemis II launch on schedule? The world is watching. Speech balloon, what do you think? Just a small delay or a bigger concern? Thumbs up sign, like this video, bell and subscribe to the Science Spark for more breaking space news and cosmic discoveries. Stay curious, because the journey back to the moon is just getting started. Rocket sparkles.